funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.
So, hey guys, we are on the way to sign the freaking papers and get the keys for the house. It is time, and I am so excited. Gotta go to Chase to meet the title people. So excited. I don't know how to act. I'm just so excited. We're here to sign the paper. Some red sign on paper. You excited, dude?
Yeah, for real.
I need to show a little bit more enthusiasm because I'm excited. I'm super excited. I've been cheesing all morning. Can't stop cheesing. Couldn't really sleep last night. I'm just ready to get these keys. Let's get these keys. Let's get the keys. Today is move-in day, and I'm so excited. We got a lot of things going on today. So we have the painter's job. We have the painters here. They're gonna get ready to start painting the walls, which will be white with a black fireplace. You'll have to stay tuned to see what that looks like. This is the entry, and they're gonna paint all of this white. So that is exciting. We also have people coming to cut the grass. We have people coming to turn on the internet. And of course, we have a lot of moving to do. So I will be back. Okay, so I just got back from pulling another load from the other house, and we got some Jack in the Box, and now it is time for them to do the cable. Oh, here he is. Hello. Hello. You're here to hook up the cable? I'm in the internet. So we are assembling things for the new house. We got some things put together. I'll show y'all what we have so far. So we put the lamp together, the bench, the 2 plant stands, and I fluffed out the fiddly fig. Everything else is pretty much just pulling out the box. Ooh, my artwork. So these are my frames from the Cineo. I have 2 gold ones, and I have 2 wooden ones as well. And the artwork is in here, but you'll have to wait for the reveal to see the artwork. I'll show y'all one picture. That's it. So, got a lot more to put together. But this has been so fun so far. Usually assembly really annoys me and gets on my nerves, but I'm just so excited. It's not even bothering me right now. So I will catch up with y'all in a minute. Oh, and here's my helper. Jai's been my helper today. You know, he put the whole bench together by himself. So he's been a really big help right here. My boo. Then we got Jalen at the house, helping over there at the old house. So we got things going on. The painters are making progress. So you just have to stay tuned to see what everything looks like at the end. Okay, so I am highly frustrated. I'm so annoyed right now because the frames, the 2 wooden frames that I ordered, they are not the right size. I don't know how I ordered the wrong size. How did I do that? I don't know. I don't understand. Because I always double check my orders. I like triple check my orders. I don't know. Maybe I was just having too much going on that day. I don't know. So now 2 pictures are not going to fit in those 2 frames because the frames are way too small. So now I'm on Desenio.com and I'm going to go ahead and order the right frames. I just hope they get here in time. Well, they're not going to get here in time. There's no time limit, but it's not today. So that annoys me because I'm like, for everything to just, I'm a checklist person. I'm like, just check everything on the list. And now this is going to like just mess up my feng shui that I had going on. So annoyed. But we're going to fix it and it's going to be fine. It's just me being dramatic. So whatever. Okay, so the frames are $30. I do not want to spend $60 for 2 freaking frames. I don't remember it being that much. Ugh, so annoying. I'm not buying them. I'm gonna have to go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's or somewhere and see if they might have them somewhere else. But the issue is with Desenio, this is actually a out of country website. I think it's like Swedish or something like that. Sweden, I don't know. But it's out of the country. So their artwork isn't the normal American size. Like, it's 11 3/4 by 15 3/4 inches. We don't make artwork that size here in the States. So it's really difficult to find frames from like inside of a store for the same artwork. Like you kind of have to get a frame from here, but I'm not spending $30 for a little frame. I just don't want to do that right now. I have to figure it out. Okay, y'all, so we're back at the house and the paint is looking so freaking good. Let me give y'all a look at it. The white is looking so crisp and clean. And then the black fireplace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. Y'all know we moved in Friday. So a lot has been going on. Like, I've been so busy. I haven't even been able to vlog. So I'm hopping up here today so that I can catch you guys up on what's been going on and putting furniture. It's just been a lot. So pretty much here's the room. So we got some pieces put together. Me and Josh just put that together. That took the absolute longest to put together. No, it took like half a day. That was easy. And now we're getting ready to put together the shades. Here's my handy dandy helper. Yeah. Josh, the muscle man, gets it done, ladies and gentlemen. Put that bitch together all by himself.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes. So we are now going to tackle. Oh, let me show you. Ow. Yes, I just stubbed my toe on the stupid drill. So look at the paint job. Looking so good. So the paint job is coming along so well. So well. You see the difference? Okay, so here is the green chase that we're about to put together. It looks fairly simple. Like we're just gonna put those in there, and screw on the bottom, and I think that's it. So here we go. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and get started on the direction. That's one, don't do that.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
I brought my frames the wrong size. How did that happen? Oh no.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.